Hey guys, it's Tasha from Infinit Lash Products. Going to give you an instructional video on how to use our newest product, Infinit Clean. It's a foaming eyelid and lash cleanser to clean your lashes and your eyelid when you're wearing extensions. We all know that keeping your eyelashes clean is the best way to have the best retention. So this is what our packaging looks like. And inside you will find a brush to apply the foaming wash and then the wash itself. So take the brush out, put a little squirt in your hand, and then you just take the brush and you just want to apply it to your lashes. And you can use the brush to get really in between each and every extension. You don't need to press hard. And then you do the other eye, and then you just rinse clean.